10 दिन से आपने सदन को चलने नहीं दे रहे, बाकी लोगों को बोलने के लिए मौका नहीं दे रहे. This is not the way. You can't force me. 0 hour. KG Kenya, Nagaland. KG Kenya, Nagaland. KG Kenya, Nagaland. KG Kenya, Nagaland.
Thank you, sir.
This will not go on record. This will not. There is no question. You can't force me. You can't force me also like this.
1958.
No banner, no slogan, nothing shall go on record.
When the Armed Forces Special Powers Act was brought on the floor
Nagaland.
of this August House, it was followed by marathon debate from the members of this August House, which stretched on for days together. These honorable members were hailing from different parts of this country, and they have expressed their serious apprehensions about the misuse and abuse of these special powers if it was enacted to be used by the armed forces against innocent civilians with impunity. And still, they will go scot-free without any prosecution from any court of law without the previous sanction of the central government. So it was this grave danger, envisioning the grave consequences that would bear on this country, they had vehemently and stiffly opposed the enactment of this Armed Forces Special Powers Act. In the light of what has transpired, sir, in the last 63 years, up to the 4th of December this year, they are prophetic and they have been proven to be correct. These Armed Forces Special Powers have breeded nothing for this country except animosity among the people of this region, the northeastern region, and the mainland India.
It's a very sensitive issue, don't it?
It has taken a heavy toll on the unity and integrity of this country. Ultimately, the casualty is inflicted on the unity and integrity of this country.
Yes.
So, all the efforts that has been put in by wise men, by leaders, by right-thinking citizens of this country from all walks of life have just been destroyed in a matter of a few hours. And as long as these armed forces special powers continue to remain in the constitution of our country, it will be used with impunity against her. So I appeal on behalf of all the regions, wherever these armed forces special powers is in operation.
Right. Right. Thank you, Mr. Kenya. Mr. Waiko. Waiko. Mr. Waiko. Waiko. Mr. Waiko. Mr. Waiko. Mr. Waiko. We're not speaking. Mr. Waiko. No. This will not go on record.
Say you want to revoke
This will not be shown. No. Dr. Vanvi Rai Karuki, other one, 0 hour. 0 hour, I am on 0 hour. I am on 0 hour, I am not having, that was also raised to 0 hour. This will not go on record. Let them realize what they have done is wrong.
Honorable Chairman, sir.
And let others persuade them, allow the House to
Sir,
function.
We have
Don't commit the same
our
mistake.
medical doctors
Don't
and health
deprive others
community
of the
work
opportunity.
tirelessly during the
Do
second
not
wave of
deprive others,
COVID-19,
please. Do not deprive
where they were
others
stretched beyond their capacity
opportunity.
and in
It
almost
will not
every
go on
respect,
record. You are
physically,
compounding the offense
mentally and emotionally,
and you are
and in the
defending
process,
the
it
undefendable.
is sad to say
cannot-
that more than 1,000 of these professionals
You are not
have lost their
understanding
life. Well, the nation called them warriors, sir. It is truly heart-wrenching to watch the same warrior who had walked tirelessly during the pandemic under the banner of the Medical Association had to go on strike, sir. As of today, these warriors are doing more than 80 hours of duty per week, sir, working at a strength of 1/3 of the usual for more than 6 months. And now simply because of the delay in counseling, sir. Well, sir, at a time of need, they became our frontliners while the nation was battling COVID-19. Therefore, I would like to request the government to go ahead with the NEET PG counseling without further delay.
जवान ऐसा कभी
Well, sir,
करेगा नहीं
we are at a time of
और
pandemic.
किसान भी करेगा
We
नहीं.
can never really afford to have shortage of anything, especially in manpower, to handle any situation that may arise. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. श्री रामलाल ठाकुर. श्री रामलाल
धन्यवाद।
ठाकुर.
मैं इस शून्यकाल उल्लेख के माध्यम से सरकार को आकृष्ट करना चाहता हूं कि हम लोग 2 वर्ष तक कोरोना से भयभीत हुए आर्थिक
कोरोना,
तंगी की हम
कोविड।
निवेदन करना चाहते हैं कि जो
ओमिक्रॉन
जो आने वाला है उससे जागरूकता पैदा करने की जरूरत है और स्वास्थ्य संबंधी को सचेत करने की जरूरत है। लोगों को भय से मिटाना है। हम आपसे आपके माध्यम से स्वास्थ्य विभाग से निवेदन करते हैं कि जो स्थिति पहले थी उससे बेहतर बनाने के लिए सरकार कोशिश करे। इन्हीं चंद शब्दों के साथ मैं शून्यकाल को समाप्त करता हूं। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद. श्री नीरज रंगी. श्री नीरज रंगी. You cannot be in well. Go to your seat and ask Mr. Neeraj Rangi. Neeraj Rangi. ये नहीं चलेगा. I agree with you. Yes. Please go to your seat. Shri V. Vijay Sai Reddy. Shri Vijay Sai Reddy.
Sir, the central government has repealed 3 contentious farm laws recently, and we all unanimously welcome it. Sir, however, it has triggered a larger debate
Sir,
in
Nazimul
respect
Haq,
of few issues.
Don't raise the poster. This is the second time I'm telling you. Second time. All these are all going on record.
Sir, one
What you
issue
are
that
doing.
has come up out of the discussion is time and again that there is a need for guaranteeing MSP minimum support price. Sir, the Andhra Pradesh government under the leadership of Sri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu has been not only been vocal about the need for MSP but also put its word into action, and Andhra Pradesh government, in fact the central government right now has announced the MSP only for 23 products, and apart from 23 products, Andhra Pradesh government has further announced minimum support price for another 24 products. Currently in Andhra Pradesh, altogether 47 products are covered under MSP, sir. Sir, which is highest among all the states in India. However, there is a need to guarantee MSP for all the crops at the national level. Sir, for this purpose, it is imperative that the wider consultations be conducted by the central government with the farmers and farmer organizations, sir, to have a clear picture and broader view as to how to protect the interest of the farmers, and with all the stakeholders also, sir. Such deliberations with all the stakeholders
Don't put the banner
would be beneficial
in front of the member who is speaking.
in so far as MSP is concerned. Sir, all as a parliamentarians, it is our duty to protect, to facilitate and have a dialogue with the farmers. To this effect, I urge the centre to form a joint parliamentary committee to engage the concerned stakeholders and elicit their views of the farmers on various issues in so far as MSP is concerned, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Vijay Sai Reddy. MSP, farmers, you are not allowed it. Earlier, SC community, you have not allowed it. Omicron, COVID-19, you are not allowing it. What is your interest? I am not able to understand. Sri Dr. V. Sivadasan. Well, subject will not be taken up. This is a demand for development of Kannur Airport. So you are not interested? Okay. having given notice, it will not be taken up again. Shri Sushil Kumar Modi.
महोदय, मैं शून्यकाल में केंद्रीय विद्यालयों के अंदर एमपी का जो कोटा है उसको मैं समाप्त करने की मांग करता हूँ। क्योंकि महोदय, there are more than 788 MPs.
You go to your
Each
seat.
MP has
You go to your seat. Do not test the patience of the country.
की अनुशंसा पर
Do not test the patience of the country.
किया जाता है।
Do not
सरकार
test
से 7,000
my patience as well as the patience of the
जो
country.
सीट्स है वो एमपीज का रिकमेंडेशन
No,
पर
no,
किया जाता
no.
है।
Mr. Nadimodi,
हमें किसी प्रकार का
second time,
रिजर्वेशन का
third time,
प्रावधान
fourth
नहीं है।
time, fifth time you are doing this.
4,000 से
Let it be what I am saying is on record. Fifth time.
ओबीसी के बच्चों को
You should not complain that you are not given opportunity. You are misusing the opportunity given to you.
धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी को धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगा जिन्होंने अपना कोटा समाप्त करने का निर्णय लिया है। सर, इट गोज अगेंस्ट द स्पिरिट ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी, ट्रांसपेरेंसी एंड मेरिटोक्रेसी। अगर सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटीज में, आईआईटीज में, आईआईएम में एमपीज को अधिकार नहीं है तो केंद्रीय विद्यालय में क्या कारण है कि ये अधिकार दिया गया है? नवोदय विद्यालय में भी कोई अधिकार नहीं है और एक एक एमपी के पास 1,000, 2,000 लोग आते हैं रिकमेंडेशन के लिए और वो 10 लोगों को ही केवल खुश कर पाते हैं और इस कारण एमपीज के प्रति नाराजगी जो है और बढ़ती जा रही है। ये सौती महोदय, इसमें ट्रांसपेरेंसी होनी चाहिए और इससे मैं ये मांग करता हूँ कि जो 10 सीट का कोटा है एमपीज के लिए केंद्रीय विद्यालय में नामांकन के लिए, इसको तत्काल समाप्त किया जाना चाहिए और ये सीट ओपन मेरिट पर छोड़ देना चाहिए ताकि जो गरीब और सामान्य बच्चे हैं वो इसका लाभ उठा सके। और ये एमपीज के चुनाव हारने का भी बहुत बड़ा कारण बन रहा है। मैंने बड़ी संख्या में एमपी से बातचीत किया, अधिकांश एमपीज चाहते हैं कि ये कोटा समाप्त कर दिया जाए। और सती महोदय, 1998 में दिल्ली हाईकोर्ट ने इस कोटे को समाप्त कर दिया था, लेकिन 2000 में फिर ये प्रारंभ हो गया। 2010 में श्री कपिल सिब्बल जब केंद्रीय शिक्षा मंत्री थे, उन्होंने इसको समाप्त कर दिया था, लेकिन फिर ये प्रारंभ हो गया। और इसलिए जो डीएम का कोटा है, हर विद्यालय के चेयरमैन का 2 कोटा है और इसी प्रकार मंत्री का कोटा है। इसलिए मैं आपसे आग्रह करूंगा सदन के माध्यम से, माननीय शिक्षा मंत्री यहाँ बैठे हैं, कि केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन में जो 7,880 सीटें एमपी के कोटे में है, इसको तत्काल समाप्त किया जाए।
धन्यवाद. This is about the quota of members of parliament in Kendriya Vidyalaya. This will go on record. What the chairman is saying, what the chairman says, and what the chairman allows MP, only they will go on record. All other things, disturbances shall not go on record. Viswambar Prasad Nishad. Viswambar Prasad Nishad. This is about demand, protect calves from stray animals. You don't know. Okay. Sri Kanakamadam Ravindra Kumar.
Sir, Honorable Chairman, sir.
It is not being shown. We are wasting our energy.
Issue in this August House.
Not being heard, not being shown.
Sir, the central government implements various welfare schemes. For the implementation of these schemes, it allocates huge funds to the state governments. As per the financial prudence, the allocated funds has to be utilized for the specific purposes for which it was allocated. For implementation of centrally sponsored schemes, the central government adopts various funds sharing factors. Some instances
I can
have come
adjourn
to the
it.
notice of the
I will
people,
adjourn it if they go to the
representative
seats.
like me, that the allocated funds are being misused and diverted to various other schemes.
Right.
I would like specially mention in this case, in the state of Andhra Pradesh, nearly 40 centrally sponsored schemes are being implemented. For instance, the state government, Andhra Pradesh, diverted the funds that were allocated under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, about 4,000 crores, and the government did not choose to pay the bills to the contractors till now. At the intervention of the court, they have paid the bills to part of the bills, remaining bills are unpaid. Now the funds allocated to the State Scheduled States Corporation was also diverted. Various other purposes proved to be detrimental to the welfare of the people belonging to the scheduled caste in the state of Andhra Pradesh. The funds allocated to Samagra Shikshana Abhiyan were also projected as if that is exclusively the scheme designated and implemented by the state government. Even an union minister has recently stated that the Andhra Pradesh government is diverting the funds sanctioned under central schemes for implementation
your
of
point.
its own schemes used his public publicity. The minister has further stated that the misuse of central funds are very rampant in the state of Andhra Pradesh. The trend is the state government is very dangerous against the norms of the financial prudence. Sir, the democracy, the change of government is regularly with another government, but the organization has experts render various welfare activities.
Right.
The funds relating to local bodies also diverted by the state government contrary to the constitutional amendment. AIDB bonds are also the funds related to for the purpose of
Conclude.
repairing the roads also diverted. Recently, 400 crores of NTR Health University funds also diverted. There is financial anarchism in the state of Andhra Pradesh. All
You can find
disaster
your point.
management funds also diverted to tune of 1776 crores. So therefore, I request the central government to intervene and give a directions to the state government not to misuse, not to divert the funds of the central schemes and other funds.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Thank you. Honorable members, some members do not want the zero hour. They do not want members to raise public issues. And they are creating such a situation in the House which is very awkward. Whether I have to take action or I have to adjourn the House. That's why I am adjourning it. This action is not taken by the chair. The action was taken by the House and a resolution moved by the leader of the House. So I have already suggested let the leader of the opposition, other leaders and the Minister for Parliamentary Affairs and the leader of the House, they sit among themselves, discuss the issue and see to it that the House is allowed to function in an orderly manner. Creating disorder, defending the undefendable and then trying to force me for action which I have not taken action is not reasonable at all. You are not understanding in spite of my telling. The action was taken because the papers were torn in, because these files were taken away, because the mics were broken, because people came onto the table, because the entry was blocked to the chairman's room, because marshals were attacked. And you say, no, that is right and the action is wrong. This is very wrong. I am adjourning the House to 12 o'clock.